Do you know why most African traditional healers do not suffer from prostate cancer or urine infection? Today, I'm here to tell you the secret. Right here. It's Herbal secret. This plant, we call it the ant bush plant. It has so many uses, but today I'm going to show you how to use it to cure your prostate cancer. My grandfather taught me a secret on how to cure prostate cancer or urine infection. He told me one story concerning my uncle who is late now. He was suffering from prostate cancer, urine infection. Anytime we sleep, he urinates often. So my grandfather came out with a powder or in a tea form and he gave it to my uncle. The next day, my uncle was relieved. The secret was the ant bush plant. Today, I'm here to give you a practical step-by-step on how to cure your prostate cancer or any urine infection in your system. When you're a man around 40 years and above, your system have failures, and especially when you have this prostate, life becomes very bitter for you. Don't worry, this tea here, when we prepare it as a tea, you're going to have your solution. Even if you are not the one suffering and you know somebody suffering from prostate cancer, please watch this video or send this video to that person. What we will do is you come and take the dry, this one to in our local dialect, people they call it in Kolan bofre. So you come and take the dry ones, the dry seed. You have to pluck enough. This is how the seed look like. So when you get enough, then you put it in your pan. We are going to put it on fire, and then what? We'll burn it like as if you are cooking, but you are stirring it so that when it becomes dry, then you put it down. So when you have enough, then you take it from your pan, and then send it to where you are going to pound it. So you see that it's I'm pounding it now. After you finish pounding, it becomes a powder, and the flavor that comes out just looks like coffee. You see, you have that flavor as a coffee. Gather enough of the powder and store it. Then early in the morning on an empty stomach, take 2 teaspoons and drop it and add hot water to it. Allow the water to cool and take it. I'm promising you within a week, you are going to see changes in your body. Your prostate cancer that have been worrying you for a long period is going to stop, and you are going to become a husband or a man again. Our ancestors are knowledgeable, so let's not depart from them. They have so many herbs that they have laid down on for generations to generations. Let's come back to our roots. This is it, the ant bush plant. If you've tried it before, let me know at the comment section. And subscribe, like, and share. This video, there are series of it coming from this same plant, but this video is for treating prostate cancer and urine infection. Thank you.